Want to start earning money using your voice online but stay at home? Check this out. Just go to Fiverr.com and sign up as an account, and you want to be a voice actor. This guy Mike here will read 150 words for 10 bucks. How much time does he take to do that? On this cool page, Edge Studio Voiceover, and it says your script is 150 words. We estimate a recording would be 50 seconds if you average 3 words per second. What? I just recalculated this for 5,000 words. 27 minutes and 46 seconds if you're an average reader. 5,000 words on Mike's here is 255 bucks for a half-hour work. As usual, results and outcomes will vary based on the amount of work you put in, but as always, like and follow for more if you want to learn how to make more money online.